Hey guys, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a very short but very effective tutorial of how to fix your 404 page not found errors. And this thing I will do using the awesome Rank Math SEO plugin. So using Rank Math SEO plugin, you will not only able to fix 404 page not found errors, we will be able to track also those 404 page not found errors. Yes, Rank Math is a very new WordPress SEO plugin which has created enough buzz by providing lot of features. So this is their official website. You just visit their website, download this plugin for free, install it, and while installing there are a number of setups are there. I have created a very beautiful tutorial in my blog. You just check the this video description. I have shared that tutorial link there. Just follow the step-by-step guide and you can install the Rank Math SEO plugin. You can also follow my YouTube channel because I'm going to share a lot of useful tutorials on rank math and also various like problems that rank math can solve for your WordPress website. So this is one of the okay. Let me take it in the right side. So this is one of the common issues we are facing as a blogger. Like uh, if you have a website, so time to time we delete a lot of articles. We delete like some pages, so those pages may create 404 page not found. So what generally we should do, we should create proper redirection for those pages so that our website doesn't look like problematic to the user should not be landing on a page where there is nothing. So you should, if that page is not existing right now, you should redirect that page to a useful another page so that user cannot get disturbed. So now this both the thing, to do both the things before rank math, you have to follow certain other process like uh, 404 errors can be easily tracked through your Google search console, and to redirect them you may have to like add one more extra plugin. I used to add, like add one more extra redirection plugin. So with that I used to do the all the redirection. But now with rank math, what you can do, you can integrate your Google search console within your website dashboard, and then from that you can track your 404 page not found errors. And within rank math they provide that redirection feature totally free, so you can use that redirection plugin option also. So to keep a track of your 404 page not found, what we can do, you can go to the check the left side. You can see that I have kept this 404 monitor on, so automatically rank math will keep a track of all the 40 page 4 errors generated. So these are few of the, so recently what I did, I am like I have deleted couple of, not couple of, lots of articles from my blog which were not getting any traffic or not useful. The purpose is to create this blog a useful place for readers so that they can find related articles. I don't want to distract them, so I just delete a lot of articles from this website. So that's why a couple of like 404 pages are, like you can see the errors. Although I had did like a proper redirection, maybe something I have missed. So let me take some example which is not yet done. Okay, so this redirect has not yet done, I think so. What is redirect? Something you can take. Okay, so let's say this is some 404 error. So what I can do, you can simply click on redirect. So as rank math has that redirection plugin or the feature inbuilt as a free feature for them, you can see that automatically it will take you to that redirection option. So what you can do, so this link is not working, so let me redirect it to my home page. You can like redirect it to any relevant page or anywhere. So for this example I'm redirecting it to my home page and then simply add redirection. So you can see that, so this redirection has been added here. So that's what a very beautiful feature I found in rank math. So using rank math you can do a lot of things. I am exploring this plugin and I am enjoying doing a lot of things with rank math. I will share more such useful tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you want to get, if you really enjoy these videos, I will request you to thumbs up this video, share this video in your social profile, write useful comment in the video comment section. You can share your feedback, suggestion, whatever. Or if you have any further question, you want me to create another video on some other topic, you can suggest me the topic there in this video also. I will try to create another video for that to respond that question. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.